Hey guys, welcome to Ernest Reviews. Today I'm going to review a new product, DocuProfits. Now, DocuProfits was launched in the month of November 2021, and this is going to be a relaunch. And during 2021 November, DocuProfits has done a good sale. So it should be a good product. That is the reason it was selling well. So let's review DocuProfits. DocuProfits is going live on 30th September, that is today, and within another couple of hours. Let's get in and check out what DocuProfits is all about. DocuProfits is the world's first system that pays us for uploading files online. You can be a newbie. There's no need for you to be experienced whatsoever. We are exposing the secret website which pays you $29 over and over again for uploading documents. There's no writing involved, no traffic needed, and no extra expenses. This is what DocuProfits promises you. So now what is DocuProfits all about? You can get paid simply by uploading documents. You can turn your time into money with DocuProfits, the simplest way to earn $29 over and over again by just uploading valuable documents that are available to you on this secret website. I would like to highlight these 7 things. The more we upload, the more $29 you earn. Literally one click, easy. Just hit upload and you're done. There is no traffic needed to make profit from this. So you do not have to worry about autoresponders, hosting, anything like that. So dead simple, no experience required, and absolutely no extra expenses involved, and no selling. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee. In case you feel that this is not a product for you, there is a refund of the amount you can always pay within the 30 days. And these are the prices and upsells. You get the front end for $19. DocuProfit membership is $19, but then you get a discount of $2 and you may have to pay only $17. If you take it immediately, you get the $2 discount. And from the front end itself, you get everything. Like you can earn that $29 every time you upload a document. You can earn as high as $395 sales through a deep conversion funnels, and it's tried and tested. The OTO one is $47. You get a downsell for $37. This is unlimited version. You get also the pro video training and 24/7 support. OTO 2 is a done for you system, and you will have to pay $197 as a downsell. OTO 3 is document profits supercharged. You can unlock the ability to exploit 3 more secret sites to upload your special documents to 3x your income. And we have the reseller license. You can buy it for $97, the downsell, which is actually priced at $297. So you can resell the product. You have the OTO 5, a passive income masterclass, $27, and you have the multiple stream of income masterclass for $27. It is quite simple product, and I will go through the members area. You will come to know this is one of the secret sites they revealed. So you can go through this, and I will tell you the pros and cons of the sites also. When you buy this product from me, you get 4 bonuses. Earnestly awesome bonus. The first bonus, what you get, list building expert. You can be an email list expert and drive your internet business to success when you go through this. So you can get it now. Bonus number 2 is the affiliate marketing secrets. Is affiliate marketing for you. Learn trade secrets in affiliate marketing and start earning money without lifting a finger. Bonus number 3, building the perfect sales funnel. Build the perfect sales funnel for your business. Learn the hows and the whys. Bonus number 4, blogging for profit. Write your heart out and profit from it. Make money from your blogs. So these are the bonuses. Other than that, you also get Vendor bonuses. 5 vendor bonuses. A day jumpstart. How super affiliates are using this insider secrets. Set and forget blogging system. And 30-day list explosion income. 60 seconds funnel profit mastery. So click here before the countdown hits 0 to benefit and get all the 9 bonuses. You will get it from the Warrior Plus. You can access here your affiliate bonuses. So friends, now let's get into the members area of one of the secret sites what DocuProfits reveals. And let us see how useful it will be for you to earn money and whether really you can earn money out of it or not. Imagine normally when they want to show, they will going to show you the site where you cannot make much money. They will be showing the better sites only when you buy it. Okay, so let us hope that you'll be getting a better secret websites for you to earn money after you see this particular demo. Yeah, friends, now go to Google and in Google just type this upwork.com and this page will open. Upwork, how work should work. Browse your talent. You can see the page before you can log in or sign up. So first time you'll need to sign up. So you can sign up and there are two things. I'm a client hiring some projects or I'm a freelancer. So click on the freelancer, then apply. Then the basic questions it will ask and you can either start on your Facebook or LinkedIn and then you have to sign up to find a work you love or you know, and you say create an account. Then you choose your country, which country you're from. Then now your account is made. You have to fill up some more things. So what's your biggest goal for freelancing? So you have to choose them. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? These questions are important because based upon your answer, you will be getting your jobs. And how would you like to work? Whether you like to find an opportunity yourself or like to package up my work for a client to buy, or you like to work to act as a recruiter. So you have to choose. So these are basically questions that they're asking to find you the right job. How would you like to tell us about yourself? So there are a few questions that you have to answer. You can either import from LinkedIn or you can upload your biodata or you can fill it manually. You can upload from your LinkedIn profile. That makes it easier. Otherwise, if you have to do manually, it takes at least 15 minutes to complete it. So the basic settings, these are the basic settings what you have to do. So you have to add a title to tell the world what you do. This is the manual setting. So after you fill in the biodata, then you're nearly there. What work you're here to do, your skills. They want to know your skills. Fill up your skills. You can just write marketing, freelancing, whatever you're good at, because this will be directly proportional to the work you will be getting, the work that can be allotted to you, the suggestions that will come for the job that you can carry out. So you can put as many jobs that you can do from the drop down menu. I would suggest that you go with the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F and so on, so that you will come to know what are the special jobs that are shown there. like this, for example. So you can choose it yourself. So that's how you have to create your bio data. Now write a bio to tell the world about yourself. So again, this is a little lengthy process, so we'll try to shortcut this also. Now let's set an hourly rate. So you can choose the hourly rate, again depending upon the rate what you choose. If you choose a higher rate, then your jobs what you'll be getting will be lower. If you set it very low, then you will be losing out. So you should put a amount what you feel will be right for you. So now that's the purview. So nice work, Ernest, your profile's ready. So now you are ready to go. So jobs you might like. See, all these are coming based upon your biodata and what you are filled in. Supposing you're filled in as an engineer, then your all engineering based work will come and show for you. So you can just check out what all work, and you can even check the earnings that is given below each jobs. Looking for a commission based job. So what is that you want to do? And you have a video here, you can even play that and check out other open jobs with a client, find work. You can see from this, then my jobs, what jobs you have, resources, and this is your earnings. Everything is given over here. Billings and earnings, my jobs, active contracts, jobs you might like, affiliate marketing, because I have shown that I am good in affiliate marketing, so that is a job that is popping out for me. That's it, friends. It is a very simple system. DocuProfits. All you have to do is upload documents, and you can earn $29 every time you upload a document. And if you upload more documents, you can earn more and more money. Supposing you are able to upload 29 into 10, you're going to get $290. And as I see, there is no way that you can't earn money, but then I feel that you will have to work. It is not so easy as just uploading a document and getting money. You will have to use some skills. That is the reason you can see a lot of things are asked about you, including your biodata. They want to know whether you will be able to do it. Based upon your biodata, you are also going to get the jobs. This is one of the sites what you have seen. There may be other sites which may be easier than this. Go ahead, try it for yourself. Your front end is only $17. So I think you can go in for it. Check it out for yourself. If you're not happy with the product, ask for a refund, you get back your money. If you are willing to work and make money, I feel that you will be able to make money in this product. It will be better than working for somebody else. You can be your own boss. That's it, friend. I'm concluding with this. All the best. I hope you learn a lot of money out of DocuProfits. Thanks a lot. I hope you like my review. If you like my review, give me a thumbs up. And also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll keep coming with a lot of reviews of good products for you. Thanks a lot, friends. See you. Bye.